welcome to my channel. My name's Casey and I'm an Amazon seller. I've been doing it for about 2 years now, and I have created this channel to help people learn about how to sell on Amazon because it has changed my life and I know it can change yours as well. So today I'm out here in my garage where I do all my prepping, and if you hear cars going by, that's kind of loud. I apologize about that, but I live on a main road, so there's always a lot of big trucks and cars coming by. But anyway, I'm going to try my best to make sure that y'all hear me. Today, I'm going to be going in and showing y'all how to package. I'm actually going to package FBA, and then I'm going to package FBM. So this video today is going to be all about like showing you how to actually box the item up, put the label on it, all that good stuff. Okay, so before we get into today's video, I want to apologize. I was supposed to get this video out Friday. I didn't have a chance. It's just been really crazy. I had some stuff come up. I had a $7,000 day and an $8,000 day, and like I said, it's just been crazy. So while I'm doing these sales, it might just be 2 videos a week. I don't know. I just have to wait and see. Also, real quick, I know I told y'all last week that I opened up a community. So it is basically where you can ask any questions. Also, it is a leads list, so I will be posting leads and encourage other people to post leads also. And I was going to let y'all know with the community, I am offering a 30-day free trial because we got to get the community built. So you get free 30 days to try it out, see how you like it. Also, once it starts getting going, since I am going to do this as a leads list, that means I will make it limited. Right now with the starting out, I just want to see, and then I will let everybody know what limit I'm putting on the community. So like I said, go to my website if you want to check that out. You get a free 30-day trial with it. Another thing I have added with the ungated guys, I've made a community with that. Now in that community, whenever you purchase the guides, the community comes with it. I will send you all the information for that along with it. But in that community, you cannot post leads, and the only questions you can ask are around the ungated guides because I'm keeping that community to the ungated guides. So again, I've released a community that comes along when you purchase the ungated guides that you can ask any questions. I will answer. Somebody else will answer. You will get your questions answered and just make the process a whole lot easier. For my people that have already purchased the ungated guides, I will be sending y'all over that information because y'all get that along with your ungated guides. Again, I will be doing that free 30-minute call this week. So later in this video today, I will be announcing that. And again, I'm going to do it on this video. You comment shipping and then what did you learn from today's video, and I will announce the winner next week in the first video of next week. So again, I'll release it later in this video who won the free 30-minute call this week. But on this video right here, comment shipping and then what did you learn from today's video. So let's go ahead and start with FBM. So this is where I'm shipping it straight to the customer. So I have my labels right here, and I already have on the back of it what the item is that I'm shipping. So let me go ahead and grab the item and I'll show you how I'll package it. These items right now that I'm doing actually does not have a price tag on them. I will not be using a Scotty Pillar and a hairdryer, but if you got a price tag, real simple, just grab your hairdryer, heat the label up, and then take the Scotty Pillar and pull it off with that, and then use glue gun just to kind of get that sticky stuff off of it. Very simple, comes off very easy. If you have price tags, make sure you get a Scotty Pillar, a glue gun, and you can just use your hairdryer. You can get a little cheap hairdryer. You can get all this stuff off of Amazon. If you look up Scotty Pillars on Amazon, they will show up on there. I showed y'all in an earlier video of mine. Okay, so this right here is selling in a 2-pack, and this is merchant filled, so I do not have to put this as a set on it. So it's going priority mail, so I'm just going to take this priority mail box, and this is not no flat rate, it's just the regular priority mail. And I use this tape gun right here. I got several of them in case I have people help me. I get the tape off of Amazon. It comes to me every so often. So I am going to tape this up, and then I will put the label right there, and I am going to put these in there. And these are plastic bottles, they're not glass, so if they were glass I would be a little bit more protected over them. So then I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of bubble wrap and stick it right here at the top, so then it looks like that. And I am going to close it up. And that is done. So you want to make sure the stuff is protected good, and you want to make sure that you have the right amount of items. So if it's 2-pack, make sure you got a 2-pack in there. So you can use little poly mailers too, so I'll show you a example. This right here, it's a plastic bottle. This box is pretty durable. So this is something that I would just take and stick in a poly mailer, and then just tape it up and stick a label on it. Pretty simple on that one. If I got this right here, you know, it's got the squeeze nozzle right here, then I want to make sure I protect this nozzle along with it being in a box, because even if it's in the box, it can still click up and then start squirting. So I'll usually just take some tape and tape it around the nozzle real good, like that. So I'll tape it around the nozzle real good to where it isn't going to go anywhere. And you will notice if you ever order this stuff from like Target and Walmart, that they do the exact same thing on it, because it just prevents the lid from coming up and then starting to squirt. So if I am shipping priority, then I can use these boxes right here that you get for free on UPS website. But if I am shipping like UPS or first class, I have to use these boxes right here that you can get from Uline. Only priority can be in these boxes. And then also you got flat rate envelopes. Only if you purchase flat rate envelope that you can use these right here, and you just stick a label on them. So you got to make sure you're shipping to what packaging you use. You can also get these padded envelopes, but you got to make sure you put that in your shipping. You can also get padded envelopes from Uline that look like this also, but it don't have UPS on it. So there's many shipping options. You just got to make sure that the item is protected so you don't get a refund, and you got it in the right box for what it goes to. Okay, so now for FBA. Let's take this item right here. So I can physically touch the item. Yeah, the item's in this box, but I can still physically touch this. So just to be on the safe side, I would put it in a poly bag. And here's my poly bags. I got them off of Amazon, and you can see they got the warning label on them. So you gotta make sure you got the warning label on them. So I'm just gonna package it in this bag right here. Okay, so now it is in here in this poly bag like this. So now, yes, I do not have anything printed on it, but this is normally where your SKU labels will be printed on. If you're using a Rollo printer, if you're using your regular printer, it would be like one of those sheets that you use to create labels that you can get at like Walmart. So I'll just peel this sticker off and I will stick it on here. So then let's say I got this product right here that's selling 4 deodorants together. So I'm going to package them together in this poly mailer. So I'm going to package both of these in this poly mailer to where it's a set of 4, and I'm going to seal it up. And then usually on these same labels right here, I print this as a set on here. So then I can just take this off and put it on there for this is a set, so Amazon knows not to separate it. And then you'll peel one off that is your SKUs. So you'll have separate labels for this is a set and then separate labels for SKU. Even if you are using a regular printer, you can still print this is a set on some labels, and it's just the easiest because you can just peel it right off and stick it on there. So then that product is ready to go like that. Let's say you are shipping something like this. Well, I'm not physically touching the product inside of it. It's just the box on the outside. So I'm just going to take the SKU label again, and I'm just going to stick it on the box. Now, if you got something that you're trying to ship like this, it's very big to where it cannot fit in a poly bag. So what I would do is I would saran wrap it in clear saran wrap, tape it, make sure it's taped up good, and then I will print off the warning label that you see on these poly bags, which you can get a template off of Google. So I will just print it off on these same labels right here. I would put it on that saran wrap, because since it's in saran wrap and it's clear, you still have to have that warning label. And it's just easy. It's just super easy just to peel it off of here. And then I would take it and put my SKU on it. Whenever you are putting all your items together, you can put it all in one box. It cannot weigh over 50 pounds. I would say less than 50 pounds. You can get boxes that have Walmart on them, Target on them, Home Depot on them when you are shipping to Amazon. It is just when you are shipping to a customer yourself, you cannot have anybody else's logo on the box. No other companies on it. You don't want to learn the hard way. Trust me. My poly mailers that I have, I just got a variety of sizes and I ordered them straight off of Amazon. So I'm telling you, most of your supplies you can order off of Amazon, but your boxes I would get off Uline. The shipping is very, very expensive, but the boxes are super cheap, so it just kind of outweighs itself. So I think I ended up getting my boxes for like $1 each, maybe a little less, after I calculated the shipping and then divided it off. So that's just something to keep in mind when shipping to the customer. Alright, so that was just a couple of tips on shipping, because I know shipping is scary for a lot of people. Even FBA, not just FBM. So that's why I wanted to show y'all both. So that will be it for today's video. As I promised y'all at the beginning of the video, I will be announcing who wins the 30-minute call this week. So the winner of the call is Lachelle Stewart. So if you could reach out to me on my email, I will leave my email in the description that you can reach out to me and we will get that set up. So congratulations again, Lachelle Stewart. So remember, again, comment on this video's shipping and what did you learn the most from the video today, and I will choose another lucky winner next week that I will announce in my first video of the week next week. So do not forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Also, if you want to learn about how to sell on Amazon, hit that subscribe button, because I upload videos weekly about how to sell on Amazon. And if you have any questions or concerns, put it in the comments below and I will try to get back to them as quick as I can. Don't forget that the Amazon community has a 30-day free trial with it. And also the Ungated guys have a community that comes along with them, like I talked about in the beginning of the video. If you have any questions about those, please email me and I will get back to you. So guys, that will be it. Bye.